Meanwhile, undaunted by the howls that the so-called scandal at RADA is nothing but fake news, the opposition People's National Party has taken their inquiries further. A press release on Wednesday stated that opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips had formally written to Auditor General Pamela Monroe-Ellis requesting a financial audit of RADA's Farm Roads Rehabilitation Program for the financial years 2017-2018 and 2018-2019. The PNP's release said its own investigation revealed documents including 2 payment vouchers for the Buckingham and Leith Hall to land settlement roads that does not square with the claims by the chairman of the Rural Agricultural Development Authority. The PNP believes the request for the financial audit is justified and necessary to ensure that public funds are properly spent and accounted for. It also noted that the opposition leader will be writing to the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA to undertake criminal investigations.